Welcome to the Tutoring and Academic Success Center, where your academic success is our priority. The Tutoring and Academic Success Center, TASC, offers 4 key areas of academic support to help you excel: peer tutoring, one-on-one academic success coaching, skill-building classes, and our self-paced online modules known as Effective You. Let's start with peer tutoring. Need help understanding complex course material or preparing for exams? Our peer tutors are fellow students who have excelled in their classes and are eager to help you succeed. We support over 200 classes, including calculus, chemistry, and physics. Tutors can work with you in one-on-one or group tutoring sessions. Tutor sessions are offered in person or online. Next up is one-on-one academic success coaching. Imagine having a personal guide to navigate your academic journey. Our coaches specialize in helping with study skills, reading strategies, time management, stress management, overcoming test anxiety, and more. Appointments can be held in person or online, whatever is most convenient for you. Want even more week-by-week academic support? Our skill-building classes offer practical lessons on everything from goal setting to communicating with instructors. These classes are designed to enhance your academic prowess and boost your confidence in all areas of academics. Look for OUE 1001, 1101, or 1102 on Schedule Builder to learn more. Finally, for those who prefer learning at their own pace, we offer Effective You, our self-paced online modules crafted to enhance your study skills and academic performance. Head to effectiveu.umn.edu to dive into these interactive lessons whenever and wherever it suits you. Topics include how to navigate group projects, academic success and ADHD, note-taking skills, and much more. Whether you're aiming for the Dean's List or looking to improve your GPA, the Tutoring and Academic Success Center is here to help you thrive. Be sure to check out our website and follow us on social media for more academic success tips.